Díobh gach duine, is mis múntóir Ricky agus ní seán seo beag mé ag díriú an Sraith Pictiúr. So I'm going to look at the Sraith Pictiúr done our test. All right, and these are the ones that are for the year 2022. So an céad ceann ná Rialacha na Scoile. And the reason I'm doing this video is the Sraith Pictiúr, what's important is your fluency and of course your pronunciation as well. So like a lot of us learn off the Sraith Pictiúr, which I don't advocate at all. I think if you focus on key verbs and key vocab and try and come up with sentences yourself, you be more well off. But anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through my notes, and I'm going to develop the pronunciation. Now, I don't have the pictures in this video, but if you have your Leabhar Sraith with you, then you can have it next to you and look at the pictures and use this video as an aid, okay? Now, just to explain, I have the verbs in the present and in the past tense. I do this because I like to do it as an exercise for students to go between tenses, to practice the tenses, but also some students might be more comfortable with the Rialacha in my class, and some might be more comfortable with the Rialacha. Again, I like to give the choice. All right. So again, just always start off by saying the title of the Sraith Pictiúr. So what I say here is Rialacha na Scoile is titled on Sraith Pictiúr seo. School Rules is the title of this Sraith Pictiúr. And don't forget to always say Scoile Pictiúr, Dara Pictiúr, and so on. And Cade is the only one that puts a shevu on Pictiúr. So Scoile Pictiúr, Dara Pictiúr marsin. Okay, Scoile Pictiúr fecamid príomhide ard Scoil an chnoic. Bhí tionól siúl sa hala. Cheas sí suas os cór na naltaí. Phléig sí Rialacha na Scoile. Bhínig sí na Rialacha agus dúirt sí go bhfuil sé tábhachtach meas a léiriú do gach duine. Dúirt sí freisin go bhfuil cosc habach, alcóil, bullaíocht agus drogaí. Lean mí de raig mar sin. Sa Dara Pictiúr, cuaig na buachalaí amach an barch fella ag am loin. Dimmer siad pell nu sachar. Leabhar na cailíní le chéile agus dis siad alón. Go toban, thosaigh na buachalaí ag trid. Comala sin, thosaigh na cailíní ag caithfh tabach. So notice here I have Nahanna Kainta on seo. Now with this answer I don't have loads of Nahanna Kainta in because I like to do it as an activity or Scoile. So pre-teach the Nahanna Kainta and then get them to put them in where they think they fit. Just so students are used to actually putting them in themselves. So Comala sin, as well as that. Thosaigh na cailíní ag caithfh tabach. Bhris na daltaí na Rialacha. Sa Tríú Pictiúr, Connic an múntóir na buachalaí ag trid an barc fella. Thug sé iad a béal don na buachalaí. Luigh sé na Rialacha agus ní raibh sé sásta chur be. An sin, Connic múntóir eile na cailíní ag caithfh tabach. Thug sí iad a béal don na cailíní agus dúirt sí go ndéanann totíní dochar don sláinte. Sa Catharú Pictiúr, cuaig na daltaí a bhaile. Bhuail siad le na dismóthirí agus ní raibh siad sásta chur be. Fuair siad gléach ón Scoil mar bhí na daltaí I driblóid. Beidh cruinniú leis an bríomhide maidin leis an plus arú. Bhí agla na daltaí. Sa Chúigiú Pictiúr, tháinig na tismóthirí isteach sa Scoil, cuaig siad go dtí ifig an phríomhide agus bhí cruinniú meeting siúl. Bhínig an príomhide chad a tharla, leabhar siad faoi na Rialacha Scoile, dan na daltaí eile sa seomar feitheamh, ní raibh na tismóthirí sásta agus bhí agla an domhain na daltaí. Sa Séú Pictiúr, bhí cuineáil séir siúl sa seomar ranga, thuig na daltaí síos agus dibrig siad go ciúin. Dan na cailíní séir a feadh ó an clig, dan na buachalaí séir a feadh 2 ó an clig. Bhí sé 25 tar éis a cuaig bhí brónar na daltaí mar bhris siad